دلوقتي ممكن نتكلم على اخر ميستيك ودي برضو important جدا. عندنا هنا an example of a bar chart, a number of men and women attending in a university in 2002. I will give you time to think of the most obvious features. هو مفيش غير two features مبدئيا، ان هو انتوا هنا عندنا number of men 100, number of women 200. ف 2002 أو 22 موجود فيها two features، إن في 100 is the number of men attending in the university whereas the women are 200. طيب بصوا الموديل answer ده كده، مش model answer، هي sample answer. 100,000 men went to university in 2002. 200,000 women went to university in 2002. طيب انتوا شايفين ان ده كويس؟ شايفين الاكزامبل ده كويس؟ تفتكروا ايه المستيك اللي انا وقعت فيه هنا؟ Yes, it's that you don't actually have enough comparisons. فاكرين في 4 tasks او requirements المطلوبة منكم في الاساي؟ قال لكم number 1 to summarize, number 2 to report, number 3 to compare. طب انا فين comparison هنا؟ You haven't actually compared. If this example, the writer didn't really compare to anything. However, the comparison is very obvious. شوفوا الexample ده هنا بيقول a total of 200,000 women went to university in 2002, exceeding the number of men attending in the same year by exactly 100,000. فانا عملت الكومباريزن very clearly. على فكرة كمان هتسيرف الجرامر بتاعك او grammatical structure، ان انت ان الكومباريزن within one sentence بتخليك تركز على to use more than one type او compound type of sentence. فهتركز ان برضو you're gonna advance in the band square when it comes to grammatical range and accuracy. فمهم قوي ان انا لازم compare، لازم group the features، ودي حاجة بترجع برضو للplanning part. Before you get started with the writing and start reporting, make sure that you group the information. ايه هي similar features او differences اللي موجودة في features مع بعضها او categories المطلوبة منك في chart. طيب دول كده the most common 3 mistakes in task achievement. لو انا avoided ال 3 mistakes دي I made sure ان انا I covered all the points, summarized ان انا I wrote a very clear overview, selected the main features, know how to report and made sure that I'm not writing every single detail. I also did the support and I supported it with the proper details or the accurate details. وبرضو في الاخر عملت comparison. تفتكروا ممكن اجيب ايه؟ Yes, task achievement here it says clearly that to get 7 you basically just need to cover the requirements of the task. فهو ده المطلوب منك. احنا عملنا ال requirements كلها المطلوبة هنا، عرفنا ن clear overview، ن present a clear overview of the main threads اللي هي we summarized accurately، عرفنا نبين ال differences او ال stages اللي احنا هنتكلم عنها في report، عرفنا compare among the all features together and even have a sufficient details to extend the answers. جبنا 7. ده simple. الفرق بين 7 و 8 ان انت بس بتركز على ال requirements ان هي بتكون a little bit sufficiently like more sufficiently، ما بتسيبش اي حاجة missed out خالص، بتركز على ان انت to make sure that all of the points in the question, all the main features are as clearly and appropriately selected. وهي دي بس المطلوب منك عشان تجيت 7 and 8. فانتوا لسه فاكرين ان task achievement صعب جدا ان انت تحقق، مع ان يعني هو it's all about just a full concentration and a regular practice in order to know which is what actually important to be reported, and that's it. هنتكلم عن بقية البوينتس او بقية الكرايتيريا في الفيديوهات الجاية. ف please make sure that you follow up with the rest of the videos. and follow our page. Thank you so much for your time, and we do value your concentration and your time that you have devoted to this kind of session. See you next time.